Yeah, man, I tried everything, man. I got injured over 10 years ago. I've done a lot of different YouTube physical therapy. I've done even some, the other guy I told you about is one of the most popular new trainers on Instagram. I've been working with his program like off and on since 2018, and
Needs
I got
Roberto's.
yeah, I got short-term results, but it just didn't feel tailored made enough for me and specific enough for me. Even though in the beginning it felt like it was helping for sure, but after a while, when I tried it again, I couldn't. It felt like it wasn't working like it was supposed to, and it was like, man, it's something deeper that I need to figure out. And then I guess because of the algorithm of searching for that type of information, you popped up on my Instagram feed. I don't know how. It's a miracle. But basically, I've always been an advocate for working, and I've tried a lot of Tim Grover workouts, which is Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan trainer. I've done a lot of his workouts, and that's what I used to do before I got injured, and that's what got me so athletic. But right soon after, I ended up getting injured, maybe a year after I did this program. But I was more athletic than I ever was. So, yeah, I pretty much tried everything. I tried a lot of stretching. I've tried a lot of resting. I've tried a lot of massages. I tried acupuncture. Um, I tried all the type of mobility and sprint workouts and um, uh, hit and CrossFits and everything, man. It's just always something temporarily, but at the root, I always get back. My knee has always been in trouble. It always come back to get me, even if sometimes it might be a year and a half before I feel any type of injury, but it come back. So this last time during the pandemic, it happened. I ended up finding you in I think August, and then I just seen your online videos, and I think I joined a little membership, but I feel like I needed something more specific, more tailored for me, and that's why I said let me just sign up for the one-on-one training. And even in the beginning, I was still skeptical because I just been trying for so long. It's like I was almost hopeless, right? But after giving you a chance and really listening and doing the research and then feeling it in my own body, the more I bought in, the more results, the more I seen it was working. And now I'm 100% a believer.
What week did you first experience this thing is actually working for your ACL surgery knee?
I think we first noticed week 5, but it was week 8 that was really like, okay, I feel it. I can feel it in my glutes now. I can feel my knee. When you taught me how to jump without hurting my knee or bending my knee, that was a game changer. And yeah, I think week 8 is where we really started to see the upward progress, because I had plateaued, or I thought I had. And then every 4 weeks since then has been like a good major milestone.
Yeah, and when we hit like the 5-minute Hyperarch hop, that was took us a while, right? But then we got there.
Oh my, yeah, it took us a while. Now it's easy, pretty much. Like not so easy where it's effortless yet, but to the point where I have no doubt I can do it every time I'm asked to do it.
Right.
Yeah, I can do it without having to, make it the hardest thing I've ever done. No, I can do it. I can do it. I'm strong enough. I'm confident enough, and I'm consistent enough that, yeah, I can do it. And I feel it. Like I just played basketball yesterday, and or was it yesterday or 2 days ago? I'm playing in 90-something degree heat. I played 5 games in the heat, and I felt very light, athletic, quick. My shot was good. Yeah, I felt good, and I haven't even played but maybe 5 or 6 times the whole pandemic, maybe max 7 times. But I felt like I've been playing because my mobility and my change of direction and the way I was moving, it was good. I had no issues, no hesitations, no landing issues, nothing that felt out of normal. It felt good, man. I felt very quick and explosive and light, and it felt great, man. It felt really good. I feel really confident in myself, more so than I felt in so long. And I can't wait to see where I'm going. I can't wait to really maximize my athleticism.
Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait to see it too.
Ready?
Yeah.
Balance. I gotta get better balance.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Let me try it again.
Let's do it again. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's do it again.
Like I'm double bouncing. Let me try it again.
Concentrate on the foot. Yep, that's pretty good, man.
I haven't been doing this one. Here we go. Here we go.
Yep.